Pommy babies? Welcome to another episode of Pommy Vlogs. And for our third vlog, we're going to do a night routine. So basically, ito yung pangatlo sa apat na gagawin nating vlog. First is a day in life. Second one is the morning routine. Then so the third one is night routine. And I'm going to show you what Pommy do every night. So, makikita niyo yung skincare routine, kung meron, yung skincare routine, what I do before going to sleep, many more to mention. So, that's it. So, without further ado, let's get started! And I'm going to put my device faster. Start po. Ay, pala lang dito. Pangsin ito sa gilid ng bus. Okay, kapag natin ang isang sa band. Dito, plastic.
A few moments later, a few inches later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
What's up, Pommy babies? So now, it's already 6:22 p.m. and sisimulan na natin ang night routine. So, first thing na gagawin natin is we're going to take a bath kasi hanggang ngayon di pa ako naliligo ngayong araw. So, this is the door of my room. Authorized personnel only. Okay. Let's kuha ng damit. Ay. Okay. Ano ba? Magdadress na lang ba tayo o mag-short tapos t-shirt?
Mapili ako guys. Gusto ko yung topic na natin. Dito sa natin. Let's go to the CR. Oh, paano na dito kami? Pag nalilunod na. Tapos mga tayo na. Okay, so nandun sa next. So, we'll be right back.
What's up, Pommy babies? So, as you see, ito yun ang buhok ko. Tapos na ako maligo. Tapos yun yung damit. Yan. Can't show you the whole dress. So, yun. Galing ako sa tita ko, naki-wifi. Kasi nanood ako, nag-YouTube ako, naki-wifi lang ako. Yan, yun naman ko. Ako. So, that's it. Hindi tayo pwede masyadong magingay kasi natutulog na si Paula, yung kapatid ko. Tapos si Mami tulog na rin, kaya lower lang both. Lower lang na rin yung voice natin. So, for the meantime, I'm going to read an updated chapter of a story that I'm still reading in Wattpad. So, speaking of Wattpad, yan. So, this is chapter 119 na. Tapos hanggang chapter 120, tapos epilogue. So, that's it. So, see you after I read the story.
A few moments later.
Go to Wattpad. Oh. Okay. Ang damo to ng Wattpad. Dalawa na lang yung available offline. Tapos may paid story ako na nakasama sa library ko. Favorite ko pa naman yung Desiring Her. So, di pa ako tapos dito sa isa. So, let's hear this one, bagong update. So, this would be the last two chapter. So, basically every night, not every night, kadalasan, ito lang ginagawa ko sa gabi, nagbabasa. Prefer reading silently. But, pag trip ko, ito yun, makakalakas ko siyang binabasa. What's up, guys? So, Pam is back, Pam is here, and now I'm here at my room. We should be quiet kasi tulog na si Mami saka si Paula sa baba. Sa baba silang tutulog, tapos ako dito sa taas. So, katatapos ko lang magbasa nung isang Wattpad story na inaabangan ko. So, excited na ako para sa epilogue ko. Then, what do you think? Should we do? Nakalimutan sa ilong ko. So, what do you think should we do?
A few moments later.
Eternity late.
Good night, Pami babies. See you on our next vlog. Kung kailan yon, hindi natin malaan. Kasi ang next vlog natin is graduation vlog. Dahil 12th grade na nga ako, nasa 12th grade na ako. So, expected na may graduation. But due to COVID-19, suspend pati ang graduation. So, see you on my next vlog. See you soon and have a good night. Sweet dreams.